Hey everyone, this is Miss Tatman. I will be your professor for the Human Development class for fall 2020. I wanted to go through briefly a demonstration on how to access the content in this course if you're not familiar. So once you log into your mydtcc.edu account, and you go to your courses and you hit Human Development, you will see this is your welcome page. It includes your announcements that are here. This just kind of an FYI is obviously strictly an online class due to our move to the virtual learning experience. There are some upcoming events along the side for you to quick reference, basically when your assignments are due. So the first thing you'll want to do is click into content. It's going to bring you to this getting started page. If you were to click the overview, this is just a brief overview of the courses, and some really important information is highlighted and italicized for you. Under getting started, you'll see the course orientation video listed there, the one that you're watching right now, some tips for online student success, my instructor information. Please keep in mind that I prefer to be contacted via email, which is there for you, but there's also a phone number for emergencies, or if you would like to discuss an assignment, or if you have any specific questions in a pinch. Some student hours for you to keep in mind are listed here as well, and please set an appointment if you would like to meet during those hours. Email etiquette is important for you to reference as well when emailing back and forth. And then some additional D2L resources for you. So you've already clicked the Getting Started page here. Understand there are some important information and rubrics listed here. You'll want to first access this timeline and schedule. If I were you, I would print it out because it's a really good resource to reference consistently throughout the course throughout these 15 weeks. Everything here is broken down for you. Weeks 1 through 15, the topics that we'll be discussing and the assignments, and specifically when they are due, is highlighted in red. What I want to make you aware of is the last exam is due December 12th. So that week will be an abbreviated week. Please keep that in mind. But for the rest of your assignments, they're basically due every Monday at 7 a.m. So if we're to go back, you'll also see the syllabus is listed, course policies. There's also an additional updated grading policy this year. If you were a student previously, you'll definitely want to reference that, and then some additional rubrics for your review. Online tutoring is available for you, so there's a link there. And then you will see all the weeks are broken down here on the side. If we look at week 1, you'll see what the topic is, what you need to read, what you need to watch, what you need to view. Basically, these are additional links for your resource, your own personal resource, if you want to dive a little bit deeper into the content, and then what exactly you need to do. So complete introduction discussion is one of the first things. Complete assignment 1, and then complete the chapter 1 quiz. So if you scroll all the way down, you'll just need to click this link and do the discussion. And then for assignment 1, click the link, upload the assignment through a Word document, and then the chapter quiz is accessible here. One thing I do want to note is that feel free to work ahead, okay? All of the assignments are open for you. You can access them at any time. You can even do the exams at any time. But just note, every single assignment is due, if you were to reference the timeline, on the designated in red bold date, okay? If you have any particular questions specifically relating to this course, please access my email or access your email to email me. And I will also be setting up a Zoom meeting for us to ask questions freely and for us to basically see each other the first week as well. So that will be to come in your announcements page. I'm looking forward to a great semester.